Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 enable to launch the game. It's so simple and easy, make sure to follow my steps. So for the first method, you need to go to the taskbar, right click, after that select task manager. Now this will open, so go to the search and type in Grand Theft Auto. Make sure you have the game not running in the background. If you do find it, make sure to right click, after that select end task. Now after that you need to select the launcher that you have the game on, which is either Epic Games or Steam. I have it on Epic Games, so search for Epic Games. If you do find the launcher, right click, after that select and task. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA app, so make sure you open it. After that this will open, so after making an account, go to the left menu and select drivers, and then click on install in order to update the graphics card's latest drivers, and then select express or custom whatever you want and click on continue. Just wait for the process to finish. After that, go to the search once again and search for device manager. After this opens, go to display adapters, open it, and then go to your NVIDIA graphics cards or AMD, right click and then select update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers. Now make sure to close everything. For the last step, make sure to open the launcher that you have the game on. Once this opens, select library in the left menu. After that, go search for the game. Once you find it, you can see these three dots right here besides the name, so make sure to click it. Once you do that, this will appear, so go straight and click on manage. After that, make sure to click on verify files in order to start recovering any missing or corrupted file within the system. When you click that, make sure to wait for the process to finish. After that, try launching the game once again. For the last step, when nothing works, you can just go to the three dots and then select and install the game, and make sure to install it once again. And that's it. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.